Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel, jump in right into the market. Today in crypto, Bitcoin giveaway. Congratulations to Ross. He was last week's $500 Bitcoin giveaway winner. He sent me his Bitcoin deposit address, sent him the Bitcoin, confirmed. Let's go. In order to win this week's $500 Bitcoin giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Giving away $500 in Bitcoin in 3 days. Again, let's go. Bitcoin weekly chart. So bull's trying to put in a bounce here at this $34,000 support level. Zoom in for a little bit more information. This is a Bitcoin daily chart. And I talked to you previously about the bearish cross of the 21 and the 200 and how this is definitely not good, right? And a lot of people are going to be talking about the death cross, which is technically, see this red 50 coming in here, right? It's going to cross bearish potentially with this 200, this yellow 200 simple moving average. And so this will give a death cross. And this again is if the bulls don't show up here, right? And so, I mean, potentially third week of June, okay? I mean, the bulls have got to show up, pump this price. This 50 will climb and move higher. So, I mean, just to give you some previous statistics, normally when you get a death cross, a lot of the pullback has already taken place. And so here, I mean, Bitcoin's down like 50%, right? So in 2013, before the actual death cross, Bitcoin was down 73%. The problem is, after the death cross in 2013, Bitcoin lost another 70%. So in 2017, Bitcoin was down 70% already before this death cross. After the death cross, another 65% pullback. In 2019 death cross, Bitcoin before the cross, I mean, so you already have this pullback happening, right? The pullback's already in progress. The death cross, this is a lagging indicator. It's behind. In 2019, before the death cross, you saw a 53% pullback in Bitcoin. And then after the death cross, you saw a 55% pullback. If things were similar and they continue, based on this idea, not guaranteed to happen, but it's happened like this in the past, then obviously Bitcoin's already down 50%. And Bitcoin could crash in another 50%, 54% even, right? I mean, that would result in $18,000 Bitcoin. So again, this is just something to consider. So what has to happen is the bulls, what changes this, which knocks this death cross out of whack, would be the bulls showing up here and pushing this price higher, because this 50 simple moving average, the red simple coming in here, 50 simple moving average on the daily, will move higher because it's based on the average of the last 50 candle closes, right? And so the bulls pump this price and pull this 50 simple moving average on the daily chart higher. So just be aware of what is possible. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he turned $800 into $120,000. He had more than 800, lost it,
got down to 800, and then turned it into $120,000. This person made $9,000 on Cody in a couple hours. This person turned $10,000 into $60,000. This person started with $700 in January, and then he quit his job in March, and he's been able to pay his bills through trading. This is the biggest financial opportunity of our lifetime. Part of being a profitable trader is not always making gains, but retaining those gains. I can help you learn all these ideas. I'll make sure you're in the best and most profitable trading setups going forward. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So go to my website, cryptorev.net. Now, as we speak, 34,000 is holding. The histogram flipped green, positive momentum. And so the idea of some type of bullish move higher. Is it going to be a bull trap? Do we get a move higher and then a retrace? That's possible, right? And so you've got a possible bullish MACD cross. Possible bullish divergence has kind of been playing out already. Again, these MACD crosses have been very relevant in the past as well. So this possible bearish scenario happening, but you've got a confirmed bullish MACD cross right now. You go back and you look at these confirmed, let's look at a couple right now. Look, bullish MACD cross right here. What happened? Boom, move to the upside. Bullish MACD cross, what happened? Boom, move to the upside. Right? And so here's a bullish MACD cross right here. Boom, move to the upside. Okay, bullish MACD cross, and it's got confirmed previously. So the possibility for a bullish move higher is here, and this could potentially drag the 50 simple to the upside, right? And this death cross would be put on hold. Let's go, Bitcoin. Bitcoin bulls need to show up. Now, this is the Bitcoin 4-hour chart, and it's this simple. Notice this triangle. If the bulls can break above this trend line, you're looking at 40,000. 40,000's broken, 42,000. Once 42,000's broken, the idea of $48,000 Bitcoin is in the cards. If this were to break lower, 32,000, 30,000, 27,000. All right, so all eyes are on Bitcoin. Now, in the trading group, I posted this. I've been talking about this, and it's important to understand, like, you want to open USDT paired longs when Bitcoin is at the bottom of its pattern, right? Here is a rising broadening wedge. And I said the next low needs to be a higher low, higher than this previous low, right? Looking for a bounce here. Go to the current Bitcoin chart, and it did bounce. Bitcoin's seen some positive price action. Some of these USDT pairs have seen some upside. Bitcoin bulls crunch time. It's time to turn this market around. Let's go. Elon Musk pumping Doge. He said, I found this pic of me as a child, 1980. I have to keep my passion hidden from the public or I'll be socially ostracized. When the richest man in the world's pumping Doge, moves the coin, period. Bella Protocol has, the end of the month, DeFi lending product design and prototype coming. Second quarter, end of the month. Keep an eye on Bella. Coinbase came out yesterday and they said, hey, we're adding Apple Pay to crypto debit card. And immediately we got this huge pump out of Bitcoin. And then it sold off shortly after. Not organic price action. I talk about these patterns all the time, and you know, people call them W patterns sometimes, or they're double bottoms is what they're called, right? So you got this double bottom. This is the gold chart. These patterns work on any chart. Forex, stock, gold, anything. Crypto, obviously. Double bottom, huge reversal out of gold based on this idea. Game changer. CTSI, they announced that they've been integrated with Now Payments. This is a non-custodial crypto payment gateway. Lets individuals and merchants accept payments, expanding merchant use of CTSI. Ambrosis, AMB, has all this news stacked at the end of June. Masternode operator area, mobile wallet, whale area. So again, keep an eye on AMB. It just pumped before I could get this news out to you guys. Now, this is Bitcoin Hopium. This is a previous pattern that we saw in Bitcoin's price action, where Bitcoin ran up to about 9,000, pulled back to about 7,400, and then obviously ran up to $14,000 Bitcoin. If this same type fractal played out, here's what it would look like. The current price action. Here we are down here. I mean, this suggests we run up to, 41,000, 42,000, then come down, test the lows again, right? And if this is reaccumulation, this would be a double bottom right here potentially, and then boom, off to the races. So let's see what happens with Bitcoin. This is the total altcoin market cap. So you take every single altcoin in circulation that there is. You add up the value of all the altcoins in USDT value. And that's what this chart's showing. And so what we see here is the price action is trying to break out of this bull flag, right? Out of this essentially downtrend, right? Bull flags, falling wedge, downtrend, right? So again, I mean, we've seen a recent bounce from $816 billion to $953 billion in the altcoin market cap. Tremendous amount of money being made in these altcoins. Just hasn't been very exciting because Bitcoin's just basically doing nothing. It's not a whole lot of exciting price action. Now, Ethereum, I think, is stronger than Bitcoin. This person has some metrics that have been measured that say Ethereum in some ways is outperforming Bitcoin. Basically, he's saying that the on-chain volume for Ethereum has increased by 35% to an all-time high. Also, Bitcoin mining revenue has decreased by 15% to $1.45 billion, where Ethereum mining revenue increased by 42% to a new all-time high of $2.35 billion. Ethereum miners making a lot more than Bitcoin. Now, on your centralized exchanges, the spot volume has increased by 38% to a new all-time high of 2.18 trillion. Huge. Tons of volume for Ethereum. Bitcoin futures volume also increased by 29% to a new all-time high. Ethereum futures volume increased by 94% to a new all-time high. A lot of people are focused on Ethereum now. This is Ethereum USDT. This is a setup that I posted. Right now, you got the price action is moving above all the moving averages. Okay, bullish. The MACD starting to curve higher, and so if this continues, you'll see continued upside for Ethereum. The stochastic, however, is overbought, so some type of small pullback and maybe a bounce or retest at this level to let this cool off a little bit is possible. And so Ethereum, and you can't see it on this chart, but it's below the 200 EMA right now. As soon as it breaks out above it, it's got extended upside. So right now, the target for Ethereum is $2,900. If Ethereum can break $2,900, you could see another $5, $7, or even $1,000 move to the upside. One thing that's important about Ethereum is it's really, even though its setup is better than Bitcoin, it's really at the mercy of Bitcoin because, I mean, it gets dragged around by Bitcoin. That's where the Ethereum BTC trading pair comes in, where it could outperform Bitcoin. An idea out there floating around where Ethereum BTC might be the coin to watch for this month, and Ethereum could outperform Bitcoin tremendously this month. And so let's see how that plays out. Bitcoin dominance. This kind of builds the case of, altcoins taking off. Well, can Ethereum outperform Bitcoin? So you got the support level right here. And you can see so Bitcoin dominance is like the on-off switch to altcoins. When this thing bounces, altcoins don't move as well. Matter of fact, they bleed. If this support breaks, money's going to flow into the altcoins. Altcoin season is when this is moving lower, because that means altcoin dominance, which is the inverse of this chart, altcoin dominance is increasing. So people are focusing their money percentage-wise on the altcoins when this is moving lower. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.